Hey everyone, we are Saturday, April 12th. Spring is here, so time of year to start doing some maintenance on these sleds that have been used all winter. We have currently on the jack stand a 2014 GSX LE 900 ACE that has 49,500 kilometers. So as you would expect with such an high mileage machine, some of the wear tear is usual and some of it is unusual. Here we have a pop rivet that's holding a major component inside the tunnel behind the bolts for the main suspension holding piece that has to be drilled out and reset. And then you have a functioning BRP ice scratcher that kind of jumped its groove and ate away at the front wheel. It's just damage on the surface. Wheels are still good. And then you have some of the usual damage that you have wheels that chip away. And in the case of trying to reuse some of the better parts, this wheel had a decent bearing, whereas this wheel had a bearing that was jumped. So this bearing went into this one, back on it goes. The principal one, the main ones are the front wheels. Those are very important. The back set can be, mix match, bring the bearings, the ones that are still good, keep them going. Extend some of the life parts, the life expectancy of some of them parts, and then keep going. And then you have at the back rail, here we have a missing bolt. You can actually see the thread made itself a little etching on the hole, so you can see that it slowly backed out and fell away somewhere along the trail. So a lot of stuff to do. A lot of stuff to check. We'll keep at it. Follow us at mountainanx.net. Thank you.